Two giants of AI art, DALL-E and Stable Diffusion, face off today. One claim: which AI craft will truly impress? On the left, DALL-E, bringing AI artistry fused with ChatGPT precision. On the right, Stable Diffusion, famous for its open-source freedom and unrivaled customization. Let's set aside the hype and dig into what really matters. Each category gets a score, and by the end, you'll see exactly which of these image titans comes out on top. The final score might just surprise you. Here's the mind map for today's battle. We are comparing these two heavyweights across 8 main categories: cost-effectiveness, prompt understanding, image quality and style, customization and control, ease of use, speed and efficiency, commercial usage, and community and support. Buckle up, this is gonna be fun. First up, let's talk money, cost-effectiveness. So DALL-E gives you unlimited generations tied into ChatGPT Plus, which is like $20 a month. Super predictable, no extra hardware needed, and no surprise bills. But, and this is a big but, if you're just dabbling, it actually feels kind of pricey. Enterprise folks, those API calls can get, yikes, expensive. Now, switch to Stable Diffusion, and it's literally free if you run it yourself. You can use cloud services that barely cost anything per image. And seriously, if you're pumping out thousands of images, it's hands down the most economical. That being said, doing it locally means you kind of need a beast GPU, which is a big upfront investment unless you already have one. So who wins here? Stable Diffusion definitely edges it out for hardcore users and anyone comfy with the techie side. Moving on, let's chat about prompt understanding. DALL-E nails it here. Like, you give it your text and it just gets you. The way it puts language into images, especially stuff like text inside art, is genuinely next level. Plus, you can refine prompts naturally thanks to ChatGPT being part of the mix. On the flip side, Stable Diffusion is good, especially if you want to deep dive and weight your prompts just right. But you do need a little expertise. It's less literal and kind of expects you to know how to guide it. So, on prompt handling, DALL-E's the winner. No contest. Okay. Image quality and style. DALL-E cranks out photorealistic stuff, nails human anatomy, and almost always looks pro. Like in testing, it scored 13.5 out of 15, which is wild. But sometimes it's so literal, it feels kinda vanilla. Now, Stable Diffusion, when you feed it the right prompts and tweak the settings, lets you chase any art style under the sun. Shadows, lighting, little details. It actually beat DALL-E for pure detail accuracy, but scored a bit lower overall. Main catch? Sometimes you do need to fine-tune things so it stays consistent. In this category, honestly, it's a tie. Both have their strengths. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know DALL-E scored an insane 13.5 out of 15 in recent 2025 tests? Stable Diffusion, though, actually outperformed on pure detail accuracy, showing it's a master of the nitty-gritty stuff. Pretty impressive, right? Next up, customization and control. If you're looking for the classic just click and go, DALL-E keeps it simple. Like anyone can use it, no tech skills required. But the downside, you don't really get to mess with the gears. No advanced settings, no custom models, it's a closed box. Then there's Stable Diffusion, which turns the dial up to 11. You can train your own models, tweak every parameter, build whatever workflow the project needs. The API-first design is super developer-friendly. Of course, there's a catch. It's a seriously steep learning curve. But if you love control, Stable Diffusion wipes the floor here. Ease of use. DALL-E is quite literally the easiest tool out there. It's all in your browser, you just type and hit generate, and you're done. Beginners, marketers, busy folks, you'll love it. Only downside, you can't do the advanced stuff. Now, Stable Diffusion is kind of the opposite. Once you survive the installation and wrap your head around it, you can set things up however you want. But getting there, man, it's a project all on its own. So who wins here? DALL-E, no question. Let's talk speed and efficiency. DALL-E is snappy. Usually 4 to 6 seconds for an image, and you don't have to worry about hardware at all. Downside being, you're at the mercy of OpenAI's servers. Stable Diffusion usually runs 6 to 8 seconds per image if you're set up locally, and if you've got one of those monster GPUs, you can crank out batches super fast, making it awesome for bulk jobs. Mind you, for local setups, not everyone's got the beefy hardware. Call this one a tie. They each win depending on your setup. Commercial usage. Now this is important. DALL-E gives you crystal clear terms, full rights, legal coverage, a marketer's dream for social posts or ads. Main catch? You're locked into their platform. Stable Diffusion? It's open source, so you've got complete freedom, no licensing headaches, integrate it any way you need, use it however you want. Of course, you have to make sure you comply with local laws yourself. On commercial stuff, this is another tie. They're both solid, just with different caveats. Last but not least, the community and support. DALL-E's support team is pro, with neat documentation and a growing ChatGPT user base. But the developer crowd's a bit smaller. Stable Diffusion? The community is massive. Like, there's an endless stream of tutorials, guides, third-party tools, and model sharing happening daily. Only caveat is support can feel kinda scattered since it's all community-driven. Still, for resources and collaboration, Stable Diffusion comes out on top here. Let's sum up all the categories in a radar chart. It's like the battle stats in one view. DALL-E dominates for simplicity, prompt handling, and pro-quality images, while Stable Diffusion spikes with cost savings, customization, and a powerhouse community. The strengths and weaknesses of each are honestly so clear when you put them side by side. So, what's the verdict? Look, if you just want to create killer images fast, with no hassle, and need something reliable and professional for your business, DALL-E 3 is legit the best choice. But if you're a developer, want to customize every aspect, generate huge volumes, or squeeze every penny out for max value, Stable Diffusion is seriously where you want to be. Ready to jump into the world of AI art? If you want something quick and fuss-free, DALL-E's got your back. Need control and crave power? Stable Diffusion is your playground. Go ahead, pick your champion.